in the next 5 years?
Where do we see Nigeria in the next 5 years? Wetin concern me where I see Nigeria in the next 5 years? Shey me as I dey like this, I be like general overseer. Abi I wear binoculars for eyes, abi I wear stethoscope to dey see the future of oga. My question ma be love me, nothing concern me with Nigeria in the next 5 years. So.
Hi my country people, ndị Igbo kedu duka Hausawa na oni gburugburu abadie ndefo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Odùduwà ṣé àlàáfíà lẹ́wà? Today I bring una one multi-talented Nigerian comedian, actor, musician and songwriter wey all of una know for both social media and television.
What is matter?
Matter. Matter. Where they say matter, it can mean two different things. Oh yeah, it can mean because it's a two of them are syllable. Oh yeah, but everything see the same thing. All of them are under same umbrella. Yes, sir.
Dem born Samuel Animashaun Perry, aka Broda Shaggi, for July 6, 1993, wey make am 29 years old this year. I sure say some of you go dey wonder, say na so dis guy young reach? Mina wella, age na ordinary number, na achievement be the koko. Na Ikenne, Ogun State dem born am, and na there im at ten d im primary education before im papa kpai. Both parents be originally from dat place where dem born am. Samuel first do im primary education for Mayflower School, Ikenne. Na wen im papa die, e change im school to Heritage Primary School, Ikenne, sake of say dem no fit afford the former school.
Anyone buy something? Okay. No worry. I know wetin happen. Of course, I know introduce myself. My bad. I take full responsibility. Let me introduce myself. Now me dey call BRODA SHAGGI, number 1 fan boy Melanie Poppy Blasky boy. Oh yes. So ngwa so yeah.
Na later Broda Shaggi pack im load go stay with im aunty for Makoko, Lagos mainland. Na there e finish im secondary school for Bire Avenue Senior High School. Na 2016 im graduate with a bachelor's degree in creative arts before e come do im national youth service for 2018. Shaggi papa na teacher for Mayflower Junior School before e passed away. We hear say im dey teach theatre, dance and music dat time.
What's the issue? I'm hearing you shout. Hope there's no problem.
No, God, there's no issue now. There's no issue.
It's my site, so please, I don't want any problems at all.
Okay, now you get this side. Are you the build this estate?
Yes.
Otuba, this is why they follow me talking. I dey come back for you.
Shaggi.
Na there Shaggi take develop interest for acting even as e dey small. Before im papa die, Shaggi don dey interpret roles. Na dis one give am the ability to play any character dem give am.
5K. If you come back here, just come back with 35.
Madam, no, not try anything funny. My name now, Officer Wood. You dey under arrest for urinating on top federal road.
Shaggi don already get entertainment spirit for body as e dey grow up. E dey lead im classmates for cultural dance for school and also dey for im church choir. Even as dem no too know am for internet, we hear say Broda Shaggi don start im entertainment business since e dey for university. At first, na the role of gentleman im take start with, but when dat one no come bring kukushi enter pocket, e kukuma sharparly change im style to comedy. Na so im fame come begin dey grow, like say dem put petrol for fire. The first stage name wey Broda Shaggi take start for university na Inspector Perry. Later e change am to Akoni Ibadan, Lecturer Dele, until e come finally reach im destination as Broda Shaggi wey everybody know today. The Nollywood films wey im don appear inside plenty small. Dey include Unfinished Business, Dear Mommy B, Ghetto Bread, Ayetoro Town, Day of Destiny, and many more. But none of these films bring am the kind fame wey e dey enjoy today. For one interview wey dem do for Samuel, the Mushin Agbero boy tok say im love fine arts sake of say na im give am im first payment of ₦100,000. As poverty come begin dey bite hard and Nigerians no appreciate arts reach comedy, na so e kukuma borrow imself sense, sharparly comot for drawing come switch to comedy.
One clip that you did that just changed the game for you?
Yeah, it was that interview. Where she asked me if I saw Jesus in Mushin. Mushin is another ghetto in Nigeria. She asked if I saw Jesus in Mushin, how would I react? And I was like, Jesus in Mushin, I will hold his clothes. I will tell Jesus that you must not leave me, you must give me money. I'm suffering. So it was funny, it was controversial, it was different.
According to am, entertainment come begin dey fetch am money from Instagram and other social media. No be only comedy Broda Shaggi dey do o. In fact, many people no know say im dey sing wella too. The comedian tok say na from childhood im don dey admire and follow two famous Fuji musicians, K1 The Ultimate and Oganla Fuji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma. Na dat small pikin interest come make our Broda Shaggi release im first music album wey e title Fine Boy Agbero in 2020.
Matter, where they say matter, I can mean two different things. Oh yeah.
If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.